Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Start like this. Imagine cars that don't just drive, but think, adapt, and even take care of you on the road. We're talking genius inventions, smart safety systems, self-healing tech, next-level comfort, and features you didn't even know you needed. These aren't upgrades. They're a total redefinition of what a car can be. Don't blink, don't scroll, because you're about to see genius car inventions that are on a whole new level. And like this, the future isn't parked in the showroom, it's already in your card, right now. BMW Panoramic iDrive, immersive digital cockpit. The BMW Panoramic iDrive redefines in-car interaction by transforming the windshield into a wide digital canvas that projects critical driving data across its entire width. Known as panoramic vision, this innovation delivers high-contrast, clearly visible information in all lighting conditions, allowing drivers to stay fully focused on the road. At the center of the experience is a large touchscreen with matrix backlight technology, enabling fluid transitions of widgets between display surfaces. Interaction is natural and versatile through touch, voice control, or the redesigned multifunction steering wheel. The steering wheel integrates haptic buttons that illuminate only when needed, reducing distraction while enhancing usability. For added awareness, an optional 3D head-up display provides layered navigation guidance and real-time driver assistance cues, ensuring an even deeper connection between vehicle and driver. All functions are powered by BMW Operating System X, an Android-based platform developed in-house. RMC Bike Carrier Solution, smarter bicycle transport for modern vehicles. The RMC Bike Carrier Solution from Brink introduces a groundbreaking approach to bicycle transport, purpose-built for vehicles that cannot tow trailers, such as many hybrid and electric cars. Unlike conventional tow hitches, RMC is designed exclusively for carrying bikes, providing a secure, efficient, and vehicle-friendly alternative. Its load-only mechanism supports vertical mounting, ensuring stability and ease of use. The system features ergonomic smart turn dials, which naturally guide the user's hand away from the bumper during unlocking, making operation both intuitive and comfortable. When not in use, the detachable ball can be removed in seconds and neatly stored in the included carrying bag, keeping the vehicle's rear clean and unobstructed. For safety and reliability, the ErgoClick system delivers both audible confirmation and clear visual indicators, green and red markers that confirm whether the bike carrier is securely locked. A built-in safety pin adds an extra safeguard, ensuring the system is used solely for its intended purpose. The RMC has undergone rigorous real-world testing and is 2V-SUD certified, proving its durability under demanding conditions. By combining safety, convenience, and advanced engineering, Brink's RMC Bike Carrier Solution offers modern drivers a dedicated system that blends practical usability with trusted reliability, perfectly suited for today's electrified and hybrid vehicles. OCTA Body and Soul Seats, a new dimension of driving comfort. The OCTA Body and Soul Seats in the Land Rover Defender OCTA redefine in-car comfort and innovation, transforming every journey into a sensory-rich experience. Developed in collaboration with Subpac and Coventry University, these advanced seats integrate viroacoustic technology, enabling passengers to not only hear the music, but physically feel its rhythm and depth. This unique fusion of audio and touch creates a stronger emotional connection to sound, elevating every drive beyond the ordinary. Building on the Defender OCTA's robust performance seating, the body and soul seats are engineered for both comfort and stability. With reinforced bolsters and integrated headrests, they deliver exceptional support during spirited driving, ensuring security without sacrificing relaxation. The system extends beyond entertainment with 6 specialized wellness modes designed to use sound and vibration to influence mood and well-being. Whether calming stress, enhancing focus, or boosting energy, these tailored modes adapt to the needs of every occupant. Real-time synchronization with the Meridian surround sound system ensures precise, immersive feedback that responds seamlessly to music or wellness programming. Crafted with premium materials, including Ultra Fabrics PU or semi-aniline leather accented by refined textiles, the OCTA Body and Soul Seats blend luxury craftsmanship with cutting-edge engineering. The result is a seating experience that sets a new benchmark in automotive innovation, turning comfort into a multi-sensory journey. Fisker Ocean SolarSky, renewable energy on the move. The SolarSky roof in the Fisker Ocean demonstrates how renewable energy can seamlessly integrate into modern EV design. Positioned along the roofline, its embedded solar panels harness sunlight to generate electricity, directly supporting the battery and helping extend driving range. Under ideal conditions, the system can contribute up to 1,500 miles of zero-emission travel annually, with the potential to exceed 2,000 miles in sunnier regions. Efficiency is paired with design. The SolarSky maintains the Ocean's sleek aerodynamic profile while doubling as a key part of the car's California mode. At the touch of a button, all windows lower and the solar roof retracts, transforming the SUV into an open, convertible-like cabin. Drivers can actively monitor solar contribution via a real-time energy meter on the central touchscreen, adding a layer of transparency and engagement. Supported by over-the-air software updates, SolarSky continues to evolve over time. While not a replacement for conventional charging, this innovative roof provides meaningful renewable power, merging sustainability with lifestyle-driven design. The Tensor is the world's first true personal robocar, engineered to bring the future of autonomous mobility directly to everyday individuals. Unlike traditional vehicles that rely on human control, Tensor is designed from the ground up with full self-driving capabilities. Its AI-powered navigation system, advanced sensors, and cutting-edge safety features allow it to operate seamlessly in real-world conditions without human input. Compact, sleek, and intelligent, Tensor is perfectly tailored for the demands of urban living. It can smoothly navigate narrow city streets, pick you up exactly when you need it, and handle daily commutes with complete reliability. This transforms the concept of car ownership by replacing stress and effort with comfort and convenience. Built on zero-emission electric power, Tensor not only eliminates harmful exhaust, but also integrates with smart connectivity, ensuring that your vehicle is always updated, secure, and in sync with your digital life. It's more than transportation, it's a personal mobility assistant. Passengers gain the freedom to relax, work, or simply enjoy the journey, while the robocar takes care of every detail. Tensor represents a bold leap toward a world where driving is obsolete, redefining what it means to move through a city. Alongside innovations like the BMW Motovision CE, the future of mobility looks smarter, greener, and more exciting than ever. Neo Automatic Emergency Steering, Advanced Collision Avoidance. Neo's Automatic Emergency Steering, AES, introduces a revolutionary step in automotive safety by autonomously steering the vehicle when braking alone is not enough to prevent a collision. Built on the advanced Banyan system and enhanced by large model AI processing, AES works seamlessly with automatic emergency braking to deliver split-second responses in high-risk situations. Unlike conventional systems that rely solely on deceleration, AES functions across a broad speed spectrum and demonstrates exceptional accuracy in detecting a variety of obstacles, including vehicles, motorcycles, bicycles, and pedestrians. A standout capability is its ability to handle sandwiched scenarios, where a car is trapped between two hazards, helping prevent rear-end collisions that braking systems alone cannot avoid. Proven in real-world conditions, AES has successfully responded to threats such as wrong-way drivers and the sudden appearance of pedestrians under poor visibility, demonstrating reliability in unpredictable environments. Drivers can activate AES through the vehicle's infotainment system and later review avoidance footage in the Neo Panorama Safety Guardian app, offering both reassurance and insight. By merging intelligent detection with precise steering control, Neo's AES represents a major advancement in proactive accident prevention, setting new standards for next-generation driver safety. Tesla Autopilot, Intelligent Driver Assistance. Tesla Autopilot is a groundbreaking driver assistance system that merges advanced software, vision-based processing, and real-time sensor data to deliver a safer and more intuitive driving experience. At its core, the system integrates traffic-aware cruise control, which automatically adjusts speed to match surrounding traffic, with auto steer helping maintain precise lane positioning on clearly marked roads. Powered by Tesla Vision technology and a network of external cameras, Autopilot provides continuous environmental awareness without the reliance on radar. This vision-driven approach enhances reliability while enabling consistent performance across diverse driving conditions. For expanded capability, the optional full self-driving supervised suite adds powerful features. Navigate on Autopilot manages complex highway maneuvers such as lane changes and exit navigation, while AutoPark handles parallel and perpendicular parking with minimal input. Summon and Smart Summon allow the vehicle to move independently in parking lots, and traffic light and stop sign control, beta, improves responsiveness to intersections and urban driving challenges. A key strength of Autopilot is Tesla's commitment to over-the-air software updates, ensuring continuous improvement, enhanced safety, and the introduction of new features over time. Escort MAX 4, intelligent radar detection for modern driving. The Escort MAX 4 sets a new benchmark in radar and laser detection, combining advanced technology, intelligent filtering, and seamless connectivity to give drivers a smarter and safer experience on every journey. Powered by a dual-core processor and dual low-noise amplifiers, the MAX 4 delivers extended detection range while sharply reducing false alerts, ensuring precise and reliable warnings when they matter most. Its integrated GPS and Escort Defender database provide proactive alerts for red light cameras, speed traps, and common enforcement zones. The innovative AutoLearn feature further enhances performance by automatically memorizing and silencing recurring false alerts, adapting detection to the driver's routes and habits over time. Connectivity makes the Escort MAX 4 even more powerful. With Bluetooth integration and the Drive Smarter app, drivers gain access to real-time, community-based alerts for up-to-the-minute awareness. Support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allows warnings and notifications to be displayed directly on a vehicle's infotainment screen, ensuring smooth integration and minimal distraction. User experience is elevated through a customizable multicolor OLED display and clear voice alerts available in both English and Spanish. Updates are simplified with USB-C connectivity, while the included SmartCord power adapter and magnetic mount make setup effortless. Keeboo Car Key, intelligent car key signal blocker. The Keeboo Car Key signal blocker represents a new era in vehicle security, providing drivers with reliable protection against one of the fastest-growing threats, relay attacks. Using advanced RFID shielding technology, Keeboo prevents unauthorized interception of key fob signals, ensuring that criminals cannot exploit them to gain access to your vehicle. Unlike conventional Faraday pouches that require keys to be fully enclosed, Keeboo introduces a patented slide switch mechanism. With a simple toggle, drivers can instantly activate or deactivate signal blocking without removing the key. This thoughtful innovation preserves the convenience of everyday use while delivering uncompromising security when it matters most. Designed with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, Keeboo integrates seamlessly into modern lifestyles. Its broad compatibility ensures it works with the vast majority of car key fobs, while its slim profile allows it to fit comfortably in a pocket, bag, or keychain. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, Keeboo withstands the demands of daily handling without compromising style or functionality. When protection mode is enabled, Keeboo creates a complete electronic barrier, rendering your vehicle fully inaccessible, even if the fob is nearby. Switching it off instantly restores normal operation, offering total control at your fingertips. By combining high-level signal shielding, resilient design, and effortless usability, Keeboo Car Key redefines what modern car security should be: effective, stylish, and seamless for the driver. ThermalMaster NV300 Max. The ThermalMaster NV300 Max sets a new standard in advanced vehicle safety technology. Designed to deliver unmatched clarity in the most demanding conditions, it features a cutting-edge dual-spectrum thermal imaging system that overlays a 512x384 thermal view with crisp visual imagery. This is displayed on a high-resolution OLED screen, ensuring outstanding visibility even in total darkness, heavy rain, fog, or glare. With its enhanced imaging capability, the NV300 Max allows drivers to clearly detect and distinguish pedestrians, cyclists, wildlife, and other potential road hazards. Its built-in AI engine further elevates safety by providing real-time object recognition and issuing ultra-fast collision warnings in just 0.1 seconds. Both audio and visual alerts give drivers maximum time to react, reducing the risk of accidents in critical moments. Built for reliability, the NV300 Max comes with an IP69K rating, protecting it from dust, water, and harsh environments. It performs flawlessly across extreme temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees to +80 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for year-round use in diverse climates. Its slim, practical design offers flexible installation through magnetic or adhesive mounting options, ensuring seamless integration into sedans, SUVs, and larger vehicles alike. By combining thermal imaging, AI monitoring, and rugged durability, the Thermal Master NV300 Max delivers next-level performance and sets a new benchmark for intelligent driving assistance.